Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the transparent cover and laying it on a towel to protect the lens and surface. Use 70% isopropyl alcohol or higher for ink. They dissolve pigments. Dip a cotton swab lightly and rub a small, inconspicuous corner for 10 to 15 seconds to confirm no clouding. Once done, apply gentle circular motions to the pen marks. This lifts ink without scratching. Make sure to use minimal liquid, so no seepage reaches glued seams. You'll tackle persistent marks by letting the solvent work. Place small drops of alcohol on the ink and wait 20 to 30 seconds so the dye breaks down. Then, use a soft toothbrush or microfiber in controlled circular strokes to lift residues. This reaches textured corners. If marks persist, repeat once more rather than scrubbing harder to prevent abrasion. After the ink lightens, rinse under warm water with a drop of dish soap to remove residues, then gently pat dry with a clean microfiber cloth. You finish by polishing the cover to restore clarity, buff with a dry microfiber, and if needed apply a tiny amount of plastic polish or even a drop of olive oil on a cloth to reduce haze. Make sure to wipe excess oil thoroughly. If the cover becomes cloudy, try a baking soda paste on a hidden area to see if mild abrasion helps. If clouding persists, replacing the case is safer. Troubleshooting: never use acetone near painted edges. It strips coatings quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.